Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how you can trade limited items on Roblox. So in here, in creating a trade, you just have to start a new trade with another player. So go to that player's profile page and then click the bottom button that looks like three dots in the upper right corner of the box that contains their username and connections or the follower informations. So you will just see it in there. And then on the menu that pops up, you just have to select trade items. And then this will open a new page that shows the available items that you and the player have to trade. So in this example, we don't have the limited items, but if you do have, it will show the green limited item badge or something, and then you just have to click on the details, and then you will be able to trade it with another user. So select the item that you want to trade away. So this will be the limited, and then this will appear in your offer list. So it will just appear in there if it's available. And then select items that you want to trade for. So they will appear on your request list as well. And then you can also choose to sweeten the deal by including some additional Robux. But please keep in mind that there will be a 30% transaction fee removed once the offer gets accepted. So review the trade and make sure that you like it. And then just take note that Roblox cannot undo a trade. So you should be certain that you're happy with the trade. And then after that, just tap on the make offer, which is this one, and to submit the trade. So once you submit, a pop-up will appear for you to confirm the trade request. So submitting a new trade will notify the other player via a private message. So just take note that the amount of Robux cannot exceed 50% of the current offer. So calculated after the transaction fee is removed. So for example, if you offer an item that is worth 300 Robux rather, you cannot add more than 150 Robux. So post transaction fee to the offer. So that's pretty much it. I hope you find this video helpful. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye!